Okay everyone, so let's get started with the intro of the song. The intro goes like this. We will break it down into few parts. The first part will be okay, so it starts on 12th fret of second string, then 11 of first, 12, 14, 11 and hammer on 12. After that again play 12th fret of second string, 11 of first, 12, 14, 12 and slide up to 10, 9 and hammer on pull off on 10, slide up to 7. So what we are playing for this song is, for this part is, we have to play this part one more time, so let's play it together really slow one more time. Right, I hope you got that. Now let's move to the next part. So the next part of the song goes like this. So it starts on 9th fret of second string, 7 of first, 9, 10, then from 9 pull it off on 7, slide up to 5, then slide up to 4. Then so what you're playing is like this. Then we have stroke on 2nd fret of first string, hammer and pull off on 3rd fret, then stretch your pinky to 5th fret of second string, slide up to 4, slide back to 5. So what you're playing for this part is you have to play this part one more time. Right, I hope you got that. So let's play this intro together really slow one more time. Right, I hope you got that. Now let's move on to the first line of the song. So the first line of the song goes like this. So we'll again break this down into few parts. The first part will be, so basically the same line is played twice. Now give a stroke on 5th fret of second string, 7 and slide down to 8, 7, 5 and slide down to 7, slide back to 4. What you're playing for this line is, play this line one more time. Now the next line is, so give a stroke on 5th fret of second string, 7 and slide down to 9, then again give a stroke on 5th fret, hammer on 7, slide down to 9 like this, then slide down to 12, pull it off on 10, then 8, 7. So what the playing is, right? I hope you got that. Now again the next part goes like this. Right, so quite an easy part. Give a stroke on 9th fret of second string, 10, 8, 7. Play this one more time. Right, now the next line goes like this. Okay, so give 2 strokes on 9th fret of second string, 2 strokes on 10, 8, 7, 5, then again 2 strokes on 9, 10, 9 of first, 7, 10, 8, 7 on second string. So the playing for this line is, right? I hope you got that. Now let's move forward. The next part is, right, so give a stroke on 5th fret of second string, 7, 8, 7, then 10, 12, 13, 12 like this. Now there's a slide, so slide from anywhere to 14th fret on first string, hammer on 15, then a stroke on 12 and hammer on 14, then mute it like this. Right, I forgot that. After that again play the intro. Right, this was quite an easy song. Let's play the whole song together really slow one more time. Right, so yeah guys, I guess that's it for the tutorial of Roja Jaaneman, Kadhal Rojave from the movie Roja itself. I hope this video was helpful in learning the types for that song. For any doubts, queries or requests, get in touch with me on Instagram. My Insta ID is right over here. And please don't forget to drop a like for this video, and please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Right. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.